Right, Kahaloya by Shim Yahushai by Shim Kakadash, double honors to the apostles and elders, a great millstone, salutation to the Akim pushing this word in truth and sincerity. This is from the Daily Record. It says, Brit hospitalized with permanent erection after sex drug injected into his penis, into his phallus. It says, Danny Polaris has been left in agony after he was persuaded to try an erection enhancer by a nurse he met out on night out. So he got persuaded by some woman, who's a nurse, to inject some liquids, erection liquids, into his knob. Yeah, this is esau for you, a reprobate, yeah? And it says here, the Brit has been left with a permanent erection after a sex drug was injected directly into his phallus, his penis. Danny Polaris has spent the last 2 weeks in hospital in agony after making one of the worst decisions of his life while partying at a club in Berlin. So he was in Germany, yeah? The jazz singer and sex columnist was on a night out with friends when he was persuaded to try the performance-enhancing drug by a nurse he went home with. Standing there with a smile on his face, yeah, fool. It says here, Danny has cautioned others to learn from his mistake. It says he told Pink News, I didn't want to do it to start with, but I consented. I thought, why not? What could possibly go wrong? It's one of the worst decisions of my life. Danny woke up the next day to discover his erection hadn't gone down, but put off seeking medical attention to take part in a Berlin Pride, that's a homosexual march, with a wine cooler wrapped around his penis to try to reduce the swelling online. So anyway, that's esau for you. A day later, the erection became even more painful, and he was taken to hospital screaming in pain. That must have been funny, right, Dick? Ah, it won't go down. Anyway, Danny now is a dickhead. So I'm going to say all praises to Abba Shim Yahushai. Double honors to the apostles. Double honor to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone, and salutation to the Akim, pushing this word in truth and sincerity. Don't ever let a woman persuade you to do anything to do with your Johnny boy, okay? Nothing to do with your Johnny boy. Johnny boy is as good as how he is, yeah? So I'm going to say, Kwam Yasharallah, Esau's a reprobate, water barber ball, and destruction to Babylon. Shalom.